Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is staying home and staying safe. I'm a little tired today. It's been a long day, but we got a late night delivery. This is coming from, I do believe, Smug Chair. It'll be corrected if I'm wrong, but it is another chair we got here. I'm getting the hang of these things now. So you guys can check out this chair if you like it. Click the link, add it to your shopping cart, check out, then continue to back to shop. Or you could browse around and see what other chairs they have. But they got a lot of cool different chairs, like that one I did the unboxing on, and of the one yesterday and the one day before. So this is another one they have. I'm going to take it out of the box, put you guys down. YouTube magic. We'll be back. Alrighty, guys. This is what it looks like once you open it out of the box. We got the normal base there. We got the cushions right here. Probably the pump is right there. Then little hydraulic lift. That's what you want to call it. We got the wheels of steel right there. And it looks pretty simple. Pull out a few items at least. Show you guys. I got it jammed in there good. See, we got the wheels, just like the others. I think this is like a normal style chair they got. Maybe better back support. Yeah, you can't see through the plastic, but we'll see in a few seconds anyway what they look like. But it has a nice mesh. There's the lumbar. Put that over there. Oh boy, a little heavy. Should be an interesting one to put together. Here we go. We got that thing for the middle part to cover up the metal. But yeah, these chairs are really nice. You guys don't have to go to Walmart. There's a pump. You'll need that later on. Get it delivered to your doorstep. And if you got older folks at home, you might want to give them a hand or have somebody there just in case. You never know with arthritis and everything else going on that they might need the extra hand to do. But I just wish Amazon would have their home services again. Alright, there's a base part. That's where the wheels go. Like that. The wheels go there. The wheels on the bus go round and round, guys. There's the bolts and the good Allen wrench. Yeah. Look at this. Nice little for your tush. Right there. Nice little padded. This would be a good computer chair. Gaming, I don't know, you could probably pass that up for a gaming chair until you get save some money and get a good one. Because those are pretty pricey for the gaming chairs. But I think this is like under $100. So I mean, you could buy this chair and buy another game. Oh boy, everything falls. But so we got the I forgot what's it called already. Ooh, it's got a neck or a headrest. Oh, this is something different. Bonus. You gotta love those bonuses. I can't even think right now. Armrest. There we go. We got an armrest here. Armrest there. And that box is emptied. Oh, baby. Alright, so there's all the good stuff. I'm going to put it together. It should take me a few minutes, but I don't want to record it in case I do swear. But I try not to. So, YouTube magic. Bada boom. Alright, boom. We are back. Look at this. Got a nice little headrest right there. Easy install, guys. Easy install. These seats go up. Let me show you the back. This is really cool. The back. Look at that thing. Great lumbar support right there. So there's the back, what it looks like. Really comfortable to sit in. You can rise it up. There's some risers right down here. You guys can see. Right there. And these go up. Gotta push it in. You have it up there. Kind of like that. That's one how it is. It's small. You can always look on the side. Got it right there. See the clickers right there? You just push it in and pull up. But that's what it looks like, guys. Oh yeah, I put the lid on it too. That little plastic piece right down here. Right there, see where the pen is? That's in there good. So, look at that spin. Got the spin already going. So like I said, guys, check them out. Link will be down below. Get one at a low cost. Get this fast shipped to you, but really nice office chair. You probably could use it, like I said, for gaming. If you guys are on a budget, you know. I know I am right now, so definitely check these guys out. And they'll get this fast shipped to you in no time. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, it's probably going to be a short video. I didn't have to do the install on the video, but it's really easy, except for, like I said, the older folks. You might want to give them a hand. That's what it looks like through the mask. Look at that. Really cool. Zippity doo dah. But I'm pooped. So you guys have a good weekend. Be safe. I'm not sure if I'm going to be on tomorrow, but by the time this is uploaded, it'll be next day already. So, alright guys, hang in tough, and we'll get through this slowly, but be safe. Bada boom. Here we are with the, I don't even know what kind of chair you want to call it, but it's going to be fixed in the description. This is a really cool chair. Really comfortable. Got the nice lumbar support too. You guys can see it right through the mesh. But super comfy. Got the gloves off on once. And these go up and down. See, pump action. Got the button right there on the side. But if you got older folks at home, you might want to stick around, give them a hand. A little tricky some parts, but other than that, it's pretty easy. Pretty good instructions too, so makes it easier to do. But this part right here, I'm not sure if I did it right because there's grooves. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of hard to do this at angle. Come on, there it is. See these little dot grooves? I only got it down to here. So I don't know if it's me or it's being stubborn, but that's what it looks like right there. All the way. But that's pretty cool. You don't see too many headrests like that. But super comfy, especially right now. A lot of you guys are working from home. This would be a nice one to get under $100, I do believe. But double check, just click the link down below and see what other goodies they have. But if you like this chair, all you gotta do is click the link, add it to your cart, check out really fast, so they could ship this off fast to you guys. Don't mind that stuff. That's my dog's toys. But there's a back. See, it's almost like a gaming chair because of the back, how it's shaped like that. Because I have one downstairs that has the same lumbar support like that. So really good, especially the long hours you guys do from your computer and gaming. So it's your guys' choice, whatever you want to use it for. Just extra chair to have around the house is really good. Like I said, especially right now, perfect for your budget. Here's one top. Looks like all the way to top, and the bottom. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. This will be over soon. So stay home. And I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. If not, hopefully during the week. Alright, be safe.